Hello students, how are you? I am Aditya Vikram from Malcolm Public School and is a school situated in Bulawaja. Today's in GK topic we will learn national flags. We will learn some national flags about national flags and we will collect some information about them. Our topic is national flag. You can see here that is given national flag. You can see exactly there is national flag. There is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's okay. Now we will tell you how we can define it, which country has that national flag. It's okay. So we come on, we will take one country and define its national flag. As we know, there is on first there is India. It's okay. You can see here on A there is India. You can tell me where is the India's flag? You can tell me where is the India's flag? Very good. Good. Where is India's flag? On 7th number. It's okay. On 7th number there is India's flag. On 7th number, on 7th there is India's flag. It's okay. India's flag. What is India's flag? The national flag of India is horizontal tricolor of deep chevron, kesari at the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom. Equal proportion, in equal proportion. The ratio of the width of the flag to its length is 2 or 3. It's okay. And in the center of white bond is navy blue, which represents the chakra. It's okay. Our national flag is type of this type, and here is on top there is saffron, and on second there is white. It's okay, and there is green. In between there is a chakra. That color is navy blue. It's okay. You can see that now on B there is second, on B there is second, which flag is related to Sri Lanka. Which flag is related to Sri Lanka. It's okay. And Sri Lanka's flag, the flag of Sri Lanka, also called a lion flag or Shurga flag, consists of a gold lion holding a castan sword in its rightful paw, in a maroon background with 4 gold bow leaves, one in each corner. It's okay. Now come on, see there is on C there is Nepal, and Nepal's flag is on the number of Nepal flag is on number of 8. It's okay. On Nepal flag is on 8 number, and the national flag of Nepal is the world's only non-quadrilateral flag. Non-quadrilateral flag means there is not any quadrilateral. That is acts as a state flag and civil flag of a sovereign nation. The flag is a simplified combination of 2 single parons known as a double paron. It's okay. And its flag is non-quadrilateral, that is in shape of triangle. It's okay. And now on D there is flag of USA, and USA flag is on 9th number. It's okay. On 9th number there is flag of USA, and the flag of the United States of America, often referred to as the American flag or US flag. is the national flag of the United States. It's okay. And on E there is China. And now we will discuss about China's flag, which is on the number of first. On first number there is China. It's okay. And the flag of China, officially the national flag of the People's Republic of China, and also known as the five-stiered red flag, is a Chinese red field shaped in the canton with 5 golden stars. The design features one larger star with 4 smaller stars in a semicircle set out towards the flag. It's okay. And now we will discuss about there is on next number there is Bangladesh. EF is Bangladesh, and Bangladesh is related on Bangladesh, and Bangladesh flag is on number 6. On number 6 there is Bangladesh flag. The national flag of Bangladesh was adopted officially on 17 January 1972. It consists of a red disc on top of green field. The red disc is affixed slightly towards the hoist so that it appears centered when the flag is flying. It's okay. And on G there is Japan flag. On G there is Japan flag, and Japan flag is on the number of 10. ठीक है. On 10 there is Japan's flag, and the national flag of Japan is a rectangular white banner bearing a crimson red disc at its center. This flag is officially called Nishoki, but it's more commonly known in Japan as Hinoman. It embodies the entries of the land of the rising sun. Do you know the country of Japan is a rising sun? Now on H there is United States, and United States is on number of United States is number of 4. It's okay. And United States, the Union Jack or Union flag is the national flag of the United Kingdom. The flag also has official slants in Canada by parliamentary resolution, where it is known as the Royal Union flag. It's okay. And now next is on I there is Bhutan. And Bhutan flag is on 3rd number. The national flag of Bhutan is one of the national symbols of Bhutan. The flag features a dragon from Bhutanese methodology. It's okay. And now last on J there is Russia. It's okay. And Russia is on which number? 5th number. On 5th number there is Russia, and the flag of Russia is a tricolor flag consisting of 3 equal horizontal fields, white on the top, blue in the middle, and red on the bottom. It's okay. Thank you. And you can see here you have to fill this space. You can fill it easily. I have tell you that how we can fill it, and I have described this quality and some features about this flag. Thank you.